Hi, I'm Randy, and I'll be talking about the challenges that I think people have when it comes to reading the Bible. Okay, first challenge is that people think that the Bible is boring because it has too many rules. Well, you don't have to memorize all those rules word by word. All you have to do is just read them and understand them, because they'll save you a lot of trouble in this corrupt world. Speaking from my personal experience, because it saved me lots of trouble. A lot. And the second challenge that I think people have is that they don't make time. They think they don't have time to read the Bible, and that just saddens me sometimes, because make time for God. Make time for God. Be serious with Him, and He'll be serious with you. Cause trust me, He won't stop. Challenge. He won't stop challenges, maybe trials, troubles coming your way, but He'll make sure that they don't hit you, because His favor is upon you, and you're His child. You're a child of God. Yeah. And let me just say that when you decide to be a Christian, a true Christian, you're picking up your own cross, and people are gonna think of you as boring because uh you don't you don't do things their way. Yeah. And that will make you, that to them, that is uncool. But trust me, in the end it's all worth it, because you'll have fought the good fight. And let me just say, God is the coolest guy. God just is the coolest guy. You can talk to Him about anything you want. Yeah. And He listens to you better than anyone. He is your best friend. Yeah. So that's all I have to say. Yeah. Thank you.
It's no energy for 2019 for anything toxic.